Good morning. Welcome to the homestead. So today is Mother's Day, and so we have a rule around here. On Mother's Day, I'm not allowed to get out of bed until the kids have given me my breakfast in bed. So I was up about an hour and a half ago ready to come out and work in the garden, but breakfast hadn't been served yet, so I couldn't come out, which is fine because I absolutely love this tradition of breakfast in bed. And it used to be that I got really cold, soggy cereal and lukewarm tea that had been sitting for like 45 minutes while they figured out how to make the mushy cereal. And but this year I got coffee and specialty coffee. It had whipped cream and caramel and chocolate, and it was pretty good. It was cold, but it was pretty good. And then I got a breakfast bagel, and the reason they decided this year to do a breakfast bagel sandwich is because that's what I always get when I go to Bigby. So they decided that's what I needed for Mother's Day, and that was actually really good. They did a good job on that. So it's fun. The older your kids get, the more delicious and edible your breakfast gets. I had a Facebook post 9 years ago that said I finally got a hot breakfast that was worth eating, and that's because my oldest was actually old enough at the time to make me breakfast in bed and have it be hot. Well, my older children have all moved out now, and so it's up to the middle-aged children to provide me with a warm breakfast in bed, and they did a pretty good job, so that was nice. But I just thought I would start the day today by telling you guys a little bit about me and the homestead. My name's Danielle, and I have 8 children, 7 biological and 1 adopted. And then I have this little mutt thingy here, this little puggo, this little baby who's spoiled, just had her breakfast. And then we have Lily, our older dog, that's getting up there in age. It just doesn't really, she's not as lively as the kids need to play with, but she still likes spending time with us. And then we have a couple cats and a lizard. I'm not sure how long we're going to have the lizard for, but we have a lizard. I decided to start doing an urban homestead because I can't move out into the country yet. It's my ultimate goal is to be able to move out into the country and get a piece of property. But it's just not time yet for me to do that. So we are gonna do a urban homestead and grow our own food and can it and do some preserving, herbs and that type of thing. And so I'm really just glad that you guys are all along for the learning experience for me and the ride, and it should be a lot of fun. So today we're hopefully going to put in our last 2 beds of our raised bed garden, and it's going to be a lot of work, but should be a lot of fun. Maybe we can start putting some more wood chips down. I got started a little bit on that last night, but still a lot more to go, and I'll show you guys how I'm doing it. May or may not be the right way to do it, but it looks like it's going to work and be pretty nice. So yeah. Come along for the rest of the day. So the kids unloaded all these boxes yesterday from the back of the truck, and then they spent the whole afternoon jumping on them. So what started off as a nice neat pile is now a pile all over the yard, but they had fun, but I am going to have to clean it up before I can put it down. So this old garden bed was sunk down into the ground about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. And so we're actually going to put a layer of dirt here to fill this up a little bit more. But I'm going to put the cardboard under that layer of dirt, and then we'll put the fabric over the dirt instead of directly over the cardboard. So that way we can bring this up a little bit more to the level that it was at previously before it got dug up. So we got this bed here finished, filled up. We put some dirt down in the depression where we put the cardboard earlier. And now we're getting these last two beds filled up, and then we're going to be all ready to finish doing wood chips. My helpers are not being quite so helpful at the moment. You guys are just packing that dirt down. You're just packing the dirt down there. TJ, what are you doing? Anyway.
Mom, will you get me the shovel? Quick. I want somebody to help me.
Well, guys, everybody is tuckered out, including Rory. Yeah, I'm talking about you. We got all the garden beds filled. Now we just have to put down the wood chips. So, if you like what you see, you want to keep up with us, like, and subscribe. Share. Would you like to say it, Chloe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Thanks.